Hello guys, are you curious how did I create that kind of loop animation on Capcut? And now let me show you the way to create it. First open your Capcut and then create a blank project, black background of a video clip. And then open it, and here on this blank page you just need to insert a circle or a round shape onto this page. And then after that you just need to export it, save this project. When you're using phone, you need to save the project, and the next step we just need to open the new project again and insert the project that you already saved before, like that. And when you already insert it, now click the clip like this and then swipe left the toolbar until you found this mask button, and then click it and use this circle mask to cover the element and try to make the element it's hollow, and the things that left from the element is just the outline, kind of like this, and just positioning it inside of this element. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to click done like this. Then go back to the page again and export this design one more time. Click export and wait for a moment. Okay, click done, and the next step you just need to click this new project and insert the clip that we are saved before, this one. Add it to the page like this. Okay, let me delete this ending video clip. And now the things that we need to do to create that kind of animation, that kind of motion, is just by clicking the clip one more time and swiping left the toolbars until you found this mask button again. Click it, and instead of using the circle mask like previous design that we are create before, we need to use this mirror mask, this one. And if the mask have this kind of effect, you just need to click this invert button on the left side of your screen, on the corner of it, kind of like this. And the next part, you just need to decrease the size or the thickness from the mask like this. Wait for a moment. Decrease the size of it and positioning it onto the exact position that you want. But first, before we go onto the motion, the loop motion, the thing that we need to do first is move the mask onto this black background, and then add a keyframe onto it. Add a keyframe like this, and then swipe left the screen onto the next duration, and move the mask onto the circle shape like this, and positioning it on the exact position that you want to put it. Okay, the next step, swipe left the clip again onto the exact duration that you want. And instead of using your hand, kind of like this, you can use this rotate tools on this mask button and just swipe left this adjustment, just like this. Okay, I think I will swipe it onto this side and move to the left again. And on this side I will add a keyframe and increase the size or the thickness from the mask like this. And I will rotate it onto this position and swipe left again onto the next duration and rotate it one more time. Again, this one, increase the size of it like this. Okay, and the next step, just do the same thing like you did previously. This one, this side, I will rotate it. I will give it a full rotation like this. And the last clip, now I think I will rotate it first like this and increase the thickness from the mask, kinda like this. And when you're done, now you just need to go back to the clip and we can see the preview, and it will be look like this. And as you can see, now it's done. Now you have this loop effect or loop motion animation on Capcut, and you can use it as your video intro, and just like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.